Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 16th, 2011, and I'm bringing you your morning coffee. A couple things here this morning. We are finding a little bit of a bounce here in the grains today. Corn up 6 to 8 cents overnight. Beans 26 to 27 cents higher. And you had the wheat 21 to 23 higher. So we are finding a little bit of a recovery. We've got, at least for corn, early on in the session last night, due to that limit move, we saw corn break. We were down almost 9-10 cents. We took out that 100-day moving average. Watch that today in the corn. We need to close back above it, which we are above it right now. But we also took out that long-term trend line yesterday. So keep that in mind. We need to get back above that. Maybe we could see a strong push here today with beans and wheat being quite a bit stronger. Heavy rains down in Brazil caused a bridge to be destroyed going to one of their major ports. That had sparked a lot of excitement overnight. The wheat market here, you did have Japan come on out and buy a cargo of feed wheat. So there too, we did have some excitement come out there, and at least some positive attitude right now as far as the grains. Something that's very interesting, and when China talks, we have to listen. But the Chinese Ministry of Ag came out here with some of their acreage projections. They're looking for an increase in corn acres about 2.1%. They're looking for an increase in cotton acres of 5.4%. And then an increase of rice of about 1.9%. But I think the biggest surprise and what also helped the soybeans out overnight is the fact that they have decreased bean acres 11.2%. That's a big move for them. I think that stirred up some excitement and may cause further excitement here today as we get into this, as we get into trading. Something that I do want to mention: we're releasing our prospective planning survey here today at 10 o'clock. We're going to be doing that live. You can sign up right there online, I believe, right, Greg? So get signed up here today. That is at 10 o'clock. So these numbers are going to be released to you guys first. Get out there, get online, and see what we have to say there. I thank everybody that has been participating in this. That's great. We really needed your help, and we're going to give you these numbers a little bit early. So that's at 10 o'clock here today. So make sure you get online. Make sure you get registered for that. And if you have questions, give us a call, and we'll help you out there. As far as some of the other outside markets today, crude oil finding a little bit of a bounce, up $1.70 right now, still hovering just below that $99 a barrel. You've got the dollar up 7 cents right now. That sits at 76.75. So the dollar is trying to recover. We had a big jump early yesterday, and we ended up selling back off. Here today, we're trying to find some strength, and it's not really catching that strong move. So look out for that. We may see some further downside yet in the dollar. As far as metals, we're getting a recovery today. Huge slide yesterday with everything else. Gold, though, right now recovering about $9. You're back to $14.04. Really, that's good support area was right around that $14.12. We'll see if we can jump back above that. Silver up 50 cents right now. So looks pretty good. That's at $34.60. So we'll see if we can get at least gain back some of the losses we had seen yesterday after that big slide that we had. Soft markets, once again, just like everything else today, rebounding. Huge slide yesterday in the softs with this whole profit taking, and now we're getting some kind of recovery here today too. Cotton up about 6 cents right now. Looks like it did go limit at one point, which is 7 cents. We'll see how that reacts. But right now, things look pretty good. Things look like we've got a little bit of confidence back in these markets after a huge spill yesterday. I do want to mention one thing. Corn, we've got limits today of 45 cents. You have $1.05 limits in beans today. So keep that in mind throughout the trading session. That's because we did have those markets stay limit yesterday. We've got expanded limits here today. As far as livestock, you got fat cattle right now reacting still a little bit lower, down 30 to 50 cents. Cash cattle traded 115 in the south. That's 185 dressed in the north. You got beef cutout values. You had choice up $1.53. Select Select was up as well, about 83 cents. So maybe we could find a recovery here for cattle too, with everything else looking strong. You got hogs that are up right now, and you've got some of the nearby contracts actually up more than $1 at this point. But we're calling them anywhere from 50 to 70 higher once we get things rolling here a little bit after 9 o'clock. Cash hogs were lower, though. We do have some profit taken in futures over the last few days, or hopefully we can start building some kind of recovery here yet in hogs. With today, looks good, but we need to close strong today. You have the USDA estimates the pork cutout down about 59. So I think we've already got that played into the market here. So we'll see what happens here today. Looks like we're going to get some kind of a recovery here early today. As I mentioned, we need to hold these gains. We need to get back above some of these technical points that were taken out over the last few days. So we'll see what kind of recovery we can see here today. And I do want to mention one more time to you guys, we've got this. We're releasing our prospective planning survey here at 10 o'clock. So get on there, get online, and certainly check that out. We're doing that live here. So call us 800-262-7538, the website to get on that survey, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. Call us with any questions, and we'll talk to you a little later. Take care.